So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss with you the role of process associate in company Amazon. So for this particular role, freshers as well as experienced person can apply, and in this video we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria, the job description, how you can apply for this role, the interview rounds and the questions and answers that are asked for its interview rounds. And in case you have landed new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities and interview preparation. And friends, if this video is useful to you in any way, please like this video and comment on it because it takes a lot of effort from my end to make such videos. So let's start today's video with the first thing, which is the eligibility criteria for this role. So for this particular role, any graduate in any discipline is eligible to apply. You should have good communication skills both in written and English. You should have an eye for detail. You should have good problem solving skills and you should have knowledge of MS Office, Outlook. And regarding the job description, the main role of the project process associate is to improve the quality of customers' experiences by improving company processes. So every department of the company has certain processes that it follows. So the role of process associate is to audit those processes and check where there is a problem in the process and rectify that thing so that everything runs smoothly, so that company functions well. So this is the basic role of process associate. Regarding the job description, you can read it. Meeting the customer expectation by following our standard operating procedures, keeping safety and quality in mind. So you will be given standard operating procedures which you have to adhere to, and also let the departments also adhere to them. You should have eye for detail to achieve process goals. Actively seek to understand Amazon's core values and translate those into everyday practices. You should identify the root causes of the issue and work on potential solutions with team members or managers to fix them. So you have to find solutions to rectify where there is lag in the processes with the team members. Now regarding the interview rounds, the first round is English grammar test. There will be 30 multiple choice questions. I've already made a video on that. So I've given the link in the description box. You can go to that video and check what are the type of questions that are asked in English grammar test. Then round 2 will be aptitude test. So for aptitude test, I have already created a booklet which consists of all the formulas which are asked in this particular round. So the kind of syllabus the aptitude round contains, this booklet has all those syllabus as well as the formulas related to that questions. Next is the manager round. So in this manager round also they will ask you objective but aptitude questions only based on logical reasoning and quant. So I will also cover them in the videos, like what aptitude questions they ask orally in the interview. And next will be the HR round. Now regarding the salary is between 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per annum, which is quite good, and the location will be work from home, and multiple locations all across India are there. So if you are in those particular cities, you can apply and work from home. So now moving on to the aptitude questions that are asked in the manager round. So mostly they consist of these type of problems, like problems on trains, percentage, ratios, profit and loss, time and work, and age. These will be the topics, and certain puzzles will also be there. So I'll cover some of the topics. Like they can ask you this question based on percentage, that this question has actually been asked in Amazon. So initial discount on bicycle is 25%. Later on negotiating, you were given 15% additional discount. And so what is the total discount? So someone might think that it is a direct question and the total will be 40% discount, but it is not so, because you are given 15% additional discount. So now the right way to solve this question is, suppose actual cost of bicycle is rupees 1000. So he is initially giving you 25% discount, so 250 rupees off, so you are getting the bicycle at 750. Now on that 750 you are asking 15% additional. So if they give you 15% additional on 50, you will get it at 637.5. So total discount given to you is 1000 minus 637.5, which is 362.5 rupees or 36.25%. So this is how you should answer this question. So moving on to the next question, something like this can also come up. What is the next number in the series? So certain numbers will be given to you. You have to find the pattern in the number so that you can predict the next number. So as an example, I have given you this 1, 2, 6, 21, 88. Now you have to find the pattern. So here you can find this pattern that the second number is this number plus 1 into 1. Next is this number plus 1 into 2. Next is this number plus 1 into 3. Next is this number plus 1 into 4. So similarly, next one will be this number plus 1 into 5. So this way you can find the pattern between the numbers to predict the next number. So this is also a type of question that comes. Next, age related questions can come, so they are pretty simple. So as an example, when asked how old she was, Rita replied, in 5 years I will be twice as old as I was 3 years ago. So how old is she? So you can assume that her current age is x. So she is saying in 5 years. So x plus 5, I will be twice as old as I was 3 years ago. Twice into x minus 3. So you can find the present age x is equal to 11 years. So this kind of age related question can come. That also. So in the HR questions, firstly they will ask you to introduce yourself. So you can talk about your education background, your interest, hobbies, and your career goals. Next, they can ask you, tell me about your final year project. So here the tip is you have to be excited while speaking to show that you were interested in your final year project. So start with the problem statement and the solution. So what was the problem that you were targeting and what solution you got? Don't go too much into technical details as interviewer may not be able to understand it, and highlight your contribution and teamwork, which is the most important part, especially for this role, because in this role you will have to work with many teams, so you should be a good team player. So this will be a very important part. Next will be your remarks of professor and final marks. Next, they can ask you why this role. So you have to tell about strengths that you have related to this role and how you have used it in real life scenarios. So you can say that you are detail oriented. You can give some example of a work which you have done in the past or the college project only where you went too much into detail to get the real solution. So that way you can say, and you can say that you are good with numbers because they are taking aptitude test twice, written as well as oral. So they want someone to be very good with numbers. So you can say that you are good with numbers. You have participated in Sudoku challenge or something like that, and you have won something. Next, they can ask you about talk about e-commerce and online shopping. So as a process associate, you should be knowing about the industry and the online shopping, which is the main part of Amazon. So sometimes they ask this question to check whether you know the difference between e-commerce and online shopping. So online shopping is a part of e-commerce. E-commerce refers to all aspects of operating a business online, and online shopping refers to online selling and purchasing of goods and services. So there are three main types of e-commerce: business to business. So websites such as Shopify, which is for B2B on e-commerce. Business to consumer, websites such as Amazon. So Amazon is B2C. And consumer to consumer, websites such as eBay. So you know the difference between e-commerce and online shopping. Next, they can ask you, if, especially if you are from a technical background, they can ask you why non-technical role. So for this, I always tell you talk about more about why a non-technical role is good for you and less talk about why you don't want to work in a technical field. So you can say, although process associate is a non-technical role, it still requires a lot of analytical and reasoning skills which I have acquired while preparing for and pursuing technical course. Therefore, I strongly believe that a technical person like me can do justice to this role if given a chance. Moreover, in a company like Amazon, there are lots of learning and growth opportunities, so I'm pretty sure joining even a non technical role is not a wrong choice. So, here you have highlighted your strengths related to this role, and since they are conducting aptitude tests, so aptitude is important for this role, which you have gained through preparing for engineering or other technical role. This question. Next, they can ask you some Excel based question, especially related to macros, and other Excel type questions they can ask you related to our VLOOKUP and pivot tables. So you can look about these formulas on the internet as to how these can be applied. Next, they can ask you why should we hire you. So this I have covered in a separate video because it's quite a long video. So you can check this out, and the answer for this role can be quite similar to the one sample answer that I have given in this video for business analyst role. So I given the link in the description box. You can check that video. And friends, if this video has been helpful to you, please like this video, and I'll also later show you just how you can apply for this role. So here I have given the link in the description box. You can just go there and check the description for this role and all the states for which you are eligible, or you can relocate to these states, then you can apply for this role. Read the entire job description and then just apply now, and you will be redirected to the Amazon website from where you can just log in with your account and apply for this role. So this way you can apply for this role. So friends, this was about this video, and if this has been helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming up with more such videos in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.